Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our golden ticket assembly straight in after half term and having the children come back working so hard. It's been amazing. Just a little shout out here as well, new golden tickets. Now we've got new gold cards, so new golden tickets as well for this half term as well. It's Friday the 11th of June and we're here for year 3, 4, 5 and 6 to find out the amazing children have been working so hard throughout this first week back. It's as if they haven't been away. We're starting off this morning in year 6. So let's have a look at this. Look what Miss Percy's written. It's amazing. Golden ticket this week is awarded to someone who's shown brilliant resilience and determination in school this year. They've not always found learning tasks easy, yet they never give up and always want to do their very best in every lesson. They're an enthusiastic member of the class who loves asking questions and being involved in our class discussions. They've really worked hard to improve their reading at home and become more organised. We hope you carry on developing these skills further on over the next 5 weeks. This person is always kind to others and loves playing football on the playground with their friends at break time and lunchtime too. A massive well done to Lorenzo! Yay! I'm sure you'll be getting a massive cheer from everyone in your class. Really well deserved, Lorenzo. You had a fantastic year 6, so really well deserved golden ticket. I am proud of you. And I know your brother and sister will be as well, so really well done. Moving on. Mr. Davison says, the golden ticket winner in Year 6RD is a child who's really impressed Year 6 staff with their persevering, positive attitude throughout the summer term. Early in the year, they sometimes found it difficult to remain focused, but they're now much more engaged and have consistently exceeded expectations every single day. They have particularly excelled in maths lessons. In addition, this child has a great sense of humour, is helpful in class and reads every day. This award is richly deserved. Really well done. Mason! Well done, Mason. I'm so proud of you, buddy. Brilliant effort. Your brother's going to be proud of you as well. So really well done and well deserved. And I'm sure everyone is giving you a big cheer as well. So keep it up throughout the rest of this term as well, please. Right? Well done. Moving on, Year 5. Miss Arthurson says, this week our golden ticket goes to someone who always has a smile on their face and can make everyone around them smile too. Absolutely, and I say that all the time because they are infectious, so well done, keep it up. This child is kind, caring, always wanting to help and being there to support their friends too. Over the year, this child has worked hard in all areas of the curriculum, every single aspect of it. They've persevered when they've found things challenging. Giving up is not in this child's nature. No, they will not give up. He will always do the very best he can, putting 100% in everything. He reads, goes on spelling shed and times table rockstar every single day. Finally, all his hard work is being rewarded. It really is. Well done. Golden ticket goes to Ruben! There he is. Look at that big smile. Well done, Ruben. You absolute superstar. Keep it up, buddy. I am so proud of you. Huge congratulations. I know everyone is going to give you a massive cheer in class now as well, so really well done. And well deserved. Well done. Moving on. Miss Muscle White says, my golden ticket this week goes to someone who never fails to give 100% in everything they do. They're a conscientious learner and clearly want to achieve well. They also have a great sense of humour and enjoy a good laugh and joke at the appropriate times. Really good. They've made excellent progress in all areas this year because they listen to instructions, act on any feedback given, and even when they find lessons challenging, they never give up. Real key there. Our golden ticket winner goes to Lamin. Well done, Lamin. Look at you, buddy. Quietly getting on, working hard, really well done and well deserved. Keep it up, buddy, for these next few weeks and you'll be ready for Year 6. I know that, so well done. Moving on, Year 4. Miss Barrett says this child always arrives at school ready to learn. They're kind to everyone they work with and can be really patient with others when they need help. They read every day and continue this over the half-term break, which I was delighted to see. I know, so was I. This child is not afraid to have a go at tasks they find tricky, and they also remember that it's okay to make mistakes and to ask for help, showing us that they have a real desire to learn. Keep it up. Jessica! There she is, absolute superstar. And I've seen some amazing handwriting from her today, from this week as well, in her book, and she keeps showing me that. So it's a brilliant, Jessica, really well deserved, okay? You and your brother, great job there. So well done, both of you, okay? So well done, Jessica. I know your brother, so we'll be really proud of you as well. Keep it up. Moving on to Mr. Pinner. She's an absolute joy to have in class and brightens any day. Although her work is often brilliant, she's always concerned that what she is producing is the absolute best that she can do. She sticks to the task and learns from her mistakes. She is considerate of everyone in class, from the children to the adults. We therefore consider ourselves lucky to have such a wonderful child in our class and our school, actually, to be fair. This is thoroughly deserved second golden ticket of the year, and it goes to Claudia. There she is. Look at that big smiley face. Claudia, you absolute superstar. Yes, you make my job much, much easier, but you also make the whole school a lovely place as well because you are in it. Really well deserved. Thank you, and just keep it up. You superstar. Well done. Moving on. Miss White says, this person has made a huge effort over the last few weeks. They're really starting to think about what they have been asked to do and giving things a try on their own. They're trying hard in all lessons, but we've especially been impressed with their effort in history and art. Amazing. They do so much reading and have made great progress with times tables too. They certainly have. Well done too. Summer! There she is. Look, massive smile on her face. Great sense of humour as well. Always telling Mr. Allen a joke in the dinner hall as well. So absolutely superb. So well deserved. Brother and your sisters will be really, really proud of you. So well done. Enjoy taking some. I know everyone will be giving you a big cheer as well. Well done. Finally, Mr. Ackerman says, this child has been doing some fantastic learning recently and makes fabulous choices around how he learns. He loves asking questions to find out about more topics and gives his best to all activities he undertakes. He's a great example to others in terms of learning routines, and we love watching this child get excited about his learning. We really do, and he does get super excited. This week's golden ticket winner is Marshall! Absolute superstar, Marshall. Well deserved, buddy. I'm so proud of you. I know Mum and Dad will be as well. Everyone I know in your class will be giving you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking this home today. You superstar. Well done. Well done to everyone. Well done to all our golden ticket winners. As I say every week, if it isn't you, copy those children. You see them in your classroom. You see who won this week. Copy them. Who knows? It could be you up here next week. So keep trying, everyone. Final messages really for this weekend. We've got be kind to everyone. Yes, it's very hot out there. It's very hot around. So please, just be kind to everyone. Be kind and nice. It's really simple and it doesn't cost anything. Slip, slop, slap. Mr. Allen's Assembly. Slip on a t-shirt. Make sure you're covered up as well this weekend. Slop on some sun cream. Slap on a hat. The other one is find some shade. Sunglasses as well, guys. So you remember the assembly on Monday. So please keep safe. We don't want anyone getting burnt because it is ferocious out there and it's going to be really sunny again this weekend. Drink lots of water as well. Let's keep well hydrated as well, please, guys, because actually we could get ill if we don't. So make sure we're drinking lots as well this weekend. Until next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.